Usa ba na? Kana nga part ba kay naglisod ko?
Dili mo ganit sa kunin mo.
Operate
Powers the X-ray tube.
high frequency. Ay. Oh,
A high frequency generator.
powers X-ray tube.
Tagot ha. It allows radiologic technologies to control the X-ray tube current.
Operating console. How diha?
Okay.
Wala diri. Nag-study me. Ano?
X-ray tube can be classified as
Loko balo. To, external o internal. Oh.
ano?
Wala, na pa siguro yung part sa external.
O sige, ang part
External?
internal.
Cathode o anode. Sige, nanay.
Internal.
Naman na meaning ang
Sige pa, mana sa unsa man ang kuan.
external kay tube. Basta to, tube current. Tube current.
Support.
Ay, tube. Tube support. Tube support, protective housing, and glass envelope.
Glass or metal?
Ay, glass and metal envelope
Or-
mo. Mo gani no glass envelope ra
Sige.
ko ah.
A flat disc that made tungsten that draws electrons across the tube.
Anode.
Maintain a vacuum so that electrons from
Gala cathode. Ay, yung lagi sunod-sunod.
Kisunod ako.
Ano dito?
Maintains a vacuum so that electrons from
Protective house. Charot.
From the
Glass envelope.
the filament that causes thermionic emission
Cathode.
serves to protect the X-ray tube.
Protective housing.
Maintain a vacuum so that electrons from the air do not contribute the electrons.
Hala, balik-balik. Glass envelope. Glass or metal envelope. Oh.
It which disrupt the X-ray production process and damage the tube.
Mo gyapon unsa di ay. Ayaw ko ano ha. Lata kay mong naong.
It made of tungsten that draws the electrons across the tube.
Ha?
It made of tungsten that draws electrons across the tube.
Cathode.
Ha?
Ay anode. Sa likod daw te kana gani pang highlights na ko te.
What lang?